The HyperX QuadCast is one of the most popular USB microphones for content creators, but many users experience frustrating audio cutting out issues, especially on Windows 11 systems. These audio dropouts have three primary root causes that affect users differently. Understanding these causes is essential before attempting any fixes. The primary culprit is USB power management. Windows automatically throttles USB ports to save energy, but this can provide insufficient power to the Quadcast, causing intermittent audio dropouts during use. Driver conflicts and compatibility issues represent the second major cause. Generic Windows audio drivers may not fully support the Quadcast's features, and conflicting audio software can interfere with proper operation. Hardware connection problems are the third cause. This includes USB port degradation over time, cable integrity issues, and power distribution limitations when using USB hubs. According to industry insights and audio engineering professionals, 85% of Quadcast cutting issues are power-related, 12% stem from software conflicts, and only 3% are due to actual hardware defects. The first and most effective solution is configuring USB power management. This resolves about 85% of Quadcast cutting issues. Open Device Manager and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right-click each USB root hub, go to Properties, then the Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power for all USB hubs. This prevents Windows from cutting power to your microphone. Next, optimize Windows audio services. This ensures stable communication between Windows and your Quadcast microphone. Press Windows key plus R, type services.msc, find Windows Audio, and restart the service. Also set Windows Audio Endpoint Builder to automatic delayed start. Update your HyperX Ingenuity software to version 4.5.1 or newer. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues with modern Windows systems. Download the latest version from HyperX website, reset microphone settings to factory defaults, and disable unnecessary RGB lighting to reduce power consumption. Proper hardware connections are crucial. Use direct motherboard USB ports, preferably USB 3.0 or newer, and avoid USB hubs, which can cause power distribution issues. Use high-quality USB-A to USB-C cables under 6 feet long. Test different motherboard USB ports, especially the blue USB 3.0 ports for optimal power delivery. For persistent issues, advanced users can try SEO 4 All software for better audio driver management or specific Windows registry modifications to improve USB audio stability. SEO 4 All provides lower latency and better stability for USB audio devices. Enable exclusive mode in Windows sound settings and set audio applications to high priority for optimal performance. These solutions resolve the vast majority of HyperX Quadcast cutting issues. Start with USB power management and work through each solution systematically for best results.